Not yet. So what is the deal? He came in, made a mess. Oh.
Got me tons of presents.
You already went through your stocking?
I'm sure it's not Indiana cold,
What do you think all that stuff is?
I don't know.
What do you think that is?
I don't know. I want to open it and see what it is.
Not yet.
Sounds like rocks in a styrofoam ball. I know that's a styrofoam ball. I don't know.
Think we should let her open anything yet?
Why not?
Alright, I guess you can open a few.
Black slip on
No, you don't.
it on my face. I don't know how that happened.
Oh, that's not a styrofoam ball.
What is
that?
it?
Bracelets.
Sure about that?
Yeah. I'll open that one. God, I thought that was perfect.
What is that?
Bed set. Ooh, and I got a bed skirt with it.
Well,
We don't need the bed skirt.
I wouldn't think so. Not on a bunk bed.
It's a twin.
You might be able to use it on the bottom bunk when we get it set up.
Hold on, before you go any further. You're already eating it up with that.
Oh, these two packages are perfume.
Come on, we went back ourselves. Go ahead. Paper all over the world. Hey, get all the paper off the big one. Why don't you turn it over? It's easier. There you go. There, you got something behind you there. Behind you. Behind you.
What is this?
Oh, what is that?
I don't know. It's for Mom.
I think we just used that box.
Huh?
I think you just used that box. It's not for me.
Ow! Ow!
No problem. What's the table off?
Oh, and that's it.
What is that?
I have no clue. It's a camera. Oh, no, it's an MP3. I don't know.
What is it? Let me see. Let's look at it. Slow down.
I don't know what it is.
Before you just start throwing stuff, let's look. See what it is. It is an MP3 player. It's a video recorder, a digital camera, a voice recorder, and an ebook reader, and an FM radio. It's all that. And it's got a 2.4-inch color display. So it's all in one deal.
That's a small thing.
It's small for all that, isn't it?
That's pretty cool.
See? Look, that's what it's looking. It's got that screen on it like that.
Ooh.
That's pretty slick. Yeah, you got your MP3 player, a video camera, a digital camera. Wow.
So basically, it's a new iPod, I guess. But it's also a camera and a video camera. And
Sound like that's mine. That's what that's like.
No, it's not.
Yeah. It's YouTube ready.
Oh, there's the big one.
Wow.
Before I destroyed the tree. Gone. And there's some fluffy in there. I can't get it open. Oh, it's gotta be labeled April. Yeah.
Hey, Hardy. You enjoying Christmas, Hardy?
I think. Oh, wait.
Think what?
I think we need like a knife or something.
You sure about that?
Yeah. It is. Wait. Yeah, we need a knife.
Alright.
Cut this crap.
what?
That's it. I'm gonna cut this crap.
Can we do it in here?
I'm just gonna get the box.
Whoa. Daddy whips out the big knife.
It's a manual knife.
What is that?
I don't know. You have to open it.
I know what it is. Just at the first scene, a pillow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, the ladybug too.
I
Look
wanted
at
the
that.
ladybug.
Let me see that. Let's see what this is all about. What is? So
That's
now
a
it's
pillow.
Alright, let's see. You got a penguin one.
Yeah, there's big ones.
Where's it? It's
Stop! I don't want his boogers on it.
Yeah, that'll feel good when I'm sleeping on that.
No, you're gonna get sweat on it.
Sweat on it.
Oh!
Well, you don't mess with them little ones, do you?
No, because they're too little. I like the big ones first.
Oh.
What's a jewelry chest? God, it's heavy. Ugh. It's heavy.
Oh.
Oh, you going for the big one.
Here, let's sit.
Oh.
Take it and sit right there on the floor.
Wow.
It's for Tiffany, and it's from Grandma and Papa.
Oh, this is the Grandma and Papa one.
Yeah.
I wonder how that got here.
He
I know, right?
must have brought that with him.
Yeah.
Okay. Ow. I was hoping to see a cover, but
Hey,
Let's lay it
lay
down.
it down. Here,
We need a knife.
go get my knife. Chop it off. Don't open it, just let me have it.
Just leave it sitting down.
oh,
Daddy can cut the tape right there. Yeah, she's got it on all four.
taped on all four sides.
That's a cute box.
There you go. What's that?
So
A bread box bag?